Hello, my name is Larry Ortega, and I'm from Los Angeles County. DPR is a failed experiment. It is intentionally harming children, and intentionally harming children is child abuse. California, #1 in autism, #1 ADHD, #1 ADD. Top reason for death among young people 12 to 21 years old is suicide. Because of the pesticides, they are destroying our kids' microbiome in our gut, which is where all of the neurotransmitters are being created. It is 1,000% unacceptable that a business like a Driscoll's in Watsonville that has been allowed to spray within a quarter mile of some schools, this can be interpreted as child abuse. And it is especially disgusting that they've made it part of their business plan, and it is an acceptable cost they are willing to acknowledge and observe. The speakers from the panels spoke earlier in saying that the DPR process is good, yet oblivious to the fact that 75% of the weeds can now tolerate glyphosate, now which has led to a chemical concoction that DPR is unable to test on this combined effect of the children. This committee is created to ensure Californians are protected from pesticides, and this is not happening. Thousands of years, literally millenniums, of evidence exists that food can be grown without pesticides. We can do this. I'm not here to complain. I'm here to say, let's rethink this. Let's be honest with ourselves and say that DPR does not work and it must be abandoned immediately. We need immediate protection for our children because our future economy is being harmed right now. And there will be no economy if we continue to allow the pesticide use near the schools as we currently have it. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. My name is Heather Gallagher. I'm from Sonoma County. I am here today to say we should be investing in growers' transition to alternative practices that benefit the soil, crop health, human health, and environment. It's time for change. We need our representatives and elected officials to hold California Department of Pesticide Regulation accountable for making sure pesticides, fungicides, and herbicides are safe and safely handled. We need to ban ones that are hazardous to the health and fragile ecosystems. We've learned of many that have been banned in other countries, and we can look at them as a model to ban the ones that are extremely dangerous. Also, people have been advocating for exact location transparency. The benefit of having this is families and community members have a chance to voice concern with Parks and Recs, city council members in their area to ask for their partnership in advocating for safer practices. It also gives us a chance to remove ourselves from direct exposure and exposure to drift. Thank you.